You realize the ice you just hopped onto is a floating chunk. You forget that swans are basically geese with a gym membership and a god complex. Long live the king. The waiter asks if everything is to my satisfaction, but I am still waiting for the breadsticks I was promised 5 minutes ago. You're trying to have a serious heart-to-heart, but your kitten is currently... The neighborhood watch is literally just one guy who can turn his head 270 degrees to catch you forgetting your recycling bin. Tell you slow and steady wins the race, they forgot to mention that the winner also gets the whole house. You're trying to have a romantic moment, but the kids keep glitching into the frame. Spent the last 10 minutes trying to master the art of the sneak, only to realize that every single cat in this... You are watching 101 Dalmatians, but you are a German Shepherd and you take your job as a service dog very seriously. Say sharing is caring, but your kid interprets that as a hostile takeover of your mid-afternoon snack. This is why we can't have nice things, or in this case, a single slice of fruit. Parenting is just one long game of keep. You realize the meeting could have been an email and now you have to find a polite way to leave the room. The boys waiting for the local food truck to realize they have a loyalty program for the neighborhood. You realize the watermelon is bigger than your entire life's ambitions, but you are still going for it. You're 100% sure you're the main character and the stroller is just your chariot to the snack aisle. Forget to check the return policy on a beanbag and it starts eating the lawn. You're trying to be a lone wolf, but your Maine Coon roommate is convinced you're just a giant space heater. Trying to practice your underwater dance routine, but your roommate is a total stage hog. Realize the last piece of cake isn't actually up for grabs. That little face went from 0 to dinosaur real quick. One more inch and I think You're trying to be a graceful swan, but the buffet is just too good to pass up. Forget to mention on your dating profile that you are a professional snack provider. They tell you to go find a boyfriend, but your standards are strictly for guys with long noses and great personalities.
Huh?
The cow starts tasting the burnt nuggets but realizes they are still alive. You're 3 double espressos deep and someone mentions that the meeting could have been an email.
Mink, mink, mink. Mink, 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 mink. NANI?
You're trying to enjoy a meal in peace, but your younger sibling chooses violence today. I guess sharing is no longer an option. When he finally figures out how to light that thing, we are all in a lot of trouble. You hear a snack wrapper from 3 rooms away and have to confirm the location of the
Huh?
moment when you take a bite of something and immediately realize it was a terrible life choice. The instant regret is written all over his face. Your friend is actually trying to process their life choices, but you have already reached your final form as a floor rug. You're trying to look innocent, but the evidence is literally smeared across your face. You decide to have a baby in the middle of a marathon, but the group has a strict no-stopping policy. Just want to enjoy a glass of wine in peace, but the creature from the abyss has other plans.